Hello and welcome, it's Jolly Cube and I'm here on Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you on an absolutely gorgeous, I suppose we're coming to the end of our winter now, but it's absolutely gorgeous weather at the moment. I think we're on about 26 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm told, and it's absolutely beautiful. So today I am going to be using some of the Montmartre pre-made paints. I did some in the bright colours on a piece I did the other day, and I just poured them directly from the bottle. Well, today I've put them into a cup because I wanted to thin them down a bit. I've just added a bit of water to them. So but I suppose you could add Floetrol or your pouring medium. But I've just added a bit of water to thin them down. And my intention today is to do a travelling cup pour. So to pour all my colours that I want in there and travel along with it. And basically go with the flow and see what we get. But I'll be doing it out of the metallic copper and gold. And I've got a metallic pearl there, and I have got a little bit of the, I thought I might just add a bit of pop of colour in there, which this one is the cerulean blue. I just may add a bit of that in there to give it a bit of a pop of colour, but we'll see how I go. So I'm just going to put down just a normal base coat. This is a paint navy that I've made up, a dark navy that I've just made up out of my global impasto paints. I keep it in this 1 litre container with a couple of marbles in the bottom, because then when you shake it, the marbles help you mix the paint. So it's another little tip that's handy to know. So I'm going to just go over the whole of the canvas with my very navy. I suppose I can give that a spread around. I'm not too worried about the very edges at this time, so I'll just give that a spread around. This is a nice deep edged canvas, so every single time my puppy dog does that, and I suppose he makes you guys jump out of your skin as well as me. Righty-o. So I might just move that up there while I put the paint. I just might do it in one. I suppose I can move this back. Ben. Hey, I'm going to just put my colours into this little cup. So I'm going to just put the pearl white, and then I will go the bronze, and I might sandwich a bit of the cerulean blue, give it a little pop, and then the metallic gold. Got to watch that the blue and gold don't go green, but this is just a bit of black. So I might go back to, is it copper or is it bronze? It's bronze, okay. Okie doke. Just to top it off with a bit of the white. So I am going to do that. I'm just going to let it settle for a second or two, just so the paint goes down the cup. And now I'm just going to gently travel. Oh, I don't want to lose that blue. So it's travelling and lipping the paint with the lip, obviously, of your cup. those colours are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So let's see how I go with that. Colours are just divine. Benson, you're a naughty boy. Just gently tilting your canvas. Don't mind. Keeping a little bit of negative space there would be good, so I will try and keep a bit of the navy at the bottom for the negative space. Just take it back. Oh, that looks super duper. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. That is really lovely. That's really low. The sides are gorgeous. Just need to keep the negative space, the blue on this side. Have I got that covered? Wow, wow, wow. That is gorgeous actually. Very happy with that. Happy, happy. Grab something quick, my cloth. I think I would like to just drag some of the gorgeous That's beautiful. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I'm just going to go over it with my heat wand, see what I get. Dry it all off. Wow. Oh, it's coming, cells are popping out. I preferred it without the cells. Oh my goodness. Oh, the cells are coming out. That's gorgeous. It is gorgeous though, but now I wish I hadn't have put it in my heat gun because I didn't. It was actually nice having something that's not got cells in. So I'll just finish off my edges on this. And that's a U-Butte gorgeous little cup out of those, gorgeous little cup. Canvas out of the pre-made pouring paints. So don't have to do anything. I only just added water to these just to make them flow a bit more, because when I did the pour the other day it took ages tilting it. It was really slow to move, but it turned out okay and it's dried nicely, the other one. So there you go, they're just pre-made paints, you don't have to think about it. There you go, it's lovely. What do you guys think of that one? It's really nice. The only thing I'm wishing is I didn't touch the heat gun on it because I preferred it without the cells. But, you know, I'll accept that. I'm happy with that. So I hope you enjoyed this today's little experiment, and I will be back tomorrow. Hope you guys take care of yourselves. Have a great week. And until tomorrow, please come and join me. So bye for now.